How about you?
I'm also doing good, and I'm very happy to meet you again here on this platform. Thank you very much for this arrangement.
Yeah, same here, Subhashi. So I think we have to introduce ourselves firstly, then we'll go further.
Okay, so who will go first?
So let me introduce myself
Okay.
firstly. Yeah,
Mhm.
my name is Varsha, and I hail from the snowy and scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, but currently reside in Punjab with my family. And as a language enthusiast, I've started my YouTube channel focused on conversational videos. Yeah, that's little about me.
Okay. So now I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Subhash Pal. I live in Guwahati in the state of Assam, and I am a retired government servant, and I am very much interested in learning spoken English, and that's why I've been taking classes with many tutors on various platforms. And at the same time, I also take session with co-learners also. And for learning this language, I also read books and watch YouTube videos. And if you ask about my hobbies, I like to watch movies and cricket matches, and I love to travel also. So this is all about me.
Yeah, that's great about you. As you told me that cricket match. So nowadays, this there is a England and India series, and I think in 20th of February there will be a Champions Trophy is going on. So that's great. It is a fun
Yes, yes, yes,
time.
yes. You're right. Yeah.
Time we are busy with the cricket match, and next after that there will be a IPL. So I think 1.5 months. It is so much busy in the evening time with the match.
Yes, yes, and particularly the Champions Trophy, I would be very much interested to watch that all those matches because this it involves Australia. So when it comes to Australia, my interest goes more. Actually, I love to watch to our players to play against Australia. And if Indian players beat Australian, then the happiness I get more.
Yeah, if they can beat Indians, so they can beat anyone, anyone. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, Subhashi, as you told me that you learn, you are learning English and from various platforms. So I have seen your most of the videos from Clappingo, English Yari, and English Talkie as well. So tell me something about these platforms. That how is your experience about these different platforms and about their fee structures as well, if the beginner want to start with these platforms, so how they can start, which is the platform that they can start, because Clappingo, how much I know about Clappingo, so it is a little bit, not little bit, it is, its cost is high according to me.
Yes, you are right. And I started first with the app that is called Cambly. If you know about that Cambly, there are native speakers. So I started with that app. There are many native speakers that I spoke with, was like from USA, South Africa, UK, like that. But this Cambly app, the fee structure is very expensive. Now it has become unbearable. I mean, it's not affordable for me to take session with the tutors on Cambly. So then I came across this Clippingo app and I started. And initially, when I started, it was really very good. And the tutors are many. Whenever I wanted to book a session, I could book according to my convenience. But nowadays, the service that is being provided by the Clippingo has gone down. There is a downside actually. There are not many tutors, and whenever I try to book a session, I don't get the tutors. There is no vacant slots, and sometimes after booking a session, the tutors sometimes do not appear. So you have to wait for some time, and you see that the tutors have not come. You get frustrated actually because we wait for them and we prepare ourselves also. So these all these things are happening on Clippingo. So I'm not very happy with the service that is being provided by the Clippingo now. Earlier it was good. So but now English here is very good platform and there are tutors, they are very expert and I like to speak with them. I can learn from them. And Inktoki is again, Inktoki is a good platform, but the tutors are very few. Only one or two tutors are active. Whenever you want to book a session, you will file them. Otherwise, there are list of around 7 8 tutors, but you won't get them. So this is the experience that I have while taking session with them. So if somebody asks me, I will definitely tell them to, if anybody is interested, to go and take session on this English theory. And when it comes to fee structure, yeah, fee structure is a bit expensive because it comes to around in on English area nowadays for 25 minutes session around 350 per session.
Okay.
So it is expensive, I would say.
Yes, for
And
uh, we can suggest them for beginning they can't they should not with this platform. They can learn from YouTube as well or free app.
yes, and for beginners, I would say those who have just started, it would be difficult for them
Yeah.
to take a session with the tutors because the tutors on those platforms, they start from certain level. So they would ask you question and you have to be that much expert to give answers to them. But for beginners, it would be difficult. So they should practice somewhere else. And if they find it is comfortable to talk with the tutor, then only they should come. Otherwise, there would be waste of money for them. What I feel.
Yeah.
I think.
To tell me one thing more that what do you think about 25 minutes? Because 25 minutes are like a sword on your head. That okay, the time is going on. The time is if there will be any network glitch, so definitely it will be not comfortable for you. That okay, 24 minutes are not like sometimes if we are talking with them like a little bit about something else that we are talking with them in English as well, but if there will be any topic that I want to talk with them, my problems, so my things like how, so definitely 25 minutes are not sufficient. And another thing is that you have to choose your trainer every time, but sometimes what's happened that the trainer is not available at that time.
Right, right. Absolutely.
Different trainer, so you have to tell about yourself firstly, so it will take 5 minutes and then you will start about the topic. So what do you think about this?
It is all about practice. So what I think that initially when I started, I was very much hesitant to talk with tutors. I got nervous when I started. So gradually after speaking with them, so what they do, they make the environment very friendly and they will allow you to speak freely. And if you make mistake, you don't have to be shy or hesitant, and you can speak no matter you are making mistakes. So they are there to correct you. So that what happens. So after taking classes with them for few sessions, so you become a kind of confident person. So you can speak well, confidently. It is always be there because even the expert also make mistake. There is no doubt about it. So we have to forget about that and we should keep on practicing. But it is not possible to continue with paying that much money to practice because it is not worth it. If you have something to achieve, then you can achieve without taking classes with them also. But in my case, what happens, I don't get many people to speak with. So I found it a convenient way to speak with them to for my practice actually. And that's why I'm continuing.
Yeah, but for practice app is the best app for you as well.
Which one? Skype.
Skype, where we have met here on Skype, so you are not in any group.
I was included in many groups, but I am not. I speaking with the actually in the group. But while speaking with tutors, one advantage is there because if you make mistake, they will point it out and they will correct you. And how to improve on those mistakes, they will give you the suggestion that helps you if you can follow them properly. Even the day before yesterday, I took a session with with one of the tutors on English theory. So she first told me about the pronunciation. I was speaking correctly, but my pronunciation were not good. So she told me where I was mispronouncing and how I should pronounce it, and where I can get this idea how to improve on those pronunciation. So these are the things that you will not get while you're talking with any co-learners. So that is the advantage. If you want to really improve on your skill, then you should go and speak with the experts, because they will give you the tips which really helps.
Yes, true. Yeah,
Yeah,
it will. Because according to me, like if you have sufficient time, so you just want to learn this language, so definitely you can go with the Skype app. But if you want to achieve your goals and you have limited time, you want to hack in your salary, and you want to get a good job, so definitely you have to go with the tutors, because without mentors you can't learn anything. If someone can learn, so everyone can learn from YouTube as well for English, like these types of thing. Definitely mentors is important, because sometimes okay, like sometimes I get confused that okay, where should I go. That's why I was asking you about this platform, because nowadays only English Yari is popping up everywhere, that okay, this is the platform. But apart from that, I was thinking about English Talkie, because according to me, I think it is a little bit like cheaper than English Yari, because Clappingo is costly and English Yari is medium, and English Talkie. But as you told me that there is a lack of tutors, so definitely English Yari is, there are so many tutors that you can choose for yourself and you can go further. That's great. That's great. Okay.
yes, and nowadays they have very good tutors, because I did some session with English area earlier. At the time, the tutors are not good, but now the tutors are very expert. They are very
Yeah,
good.
yeah. Like I have seen your one video, I think two couple of days ago, and the tutor was superb. She was speaking with you, and I think I have commented there on your video
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
a conversation with you, and then I realized that okay, you are taking sessions from there. So I have taken any advice from you, that how we can also go further with them as well. So that's great advice, Subhas, that you have given, because you have experienced about this platform, that you are taking sessions with them sometimes. Okay, as you told that this is not uh, that we can every day we can take session from there, because definitely it is expensive, and we
Yes.
are not like that every day we can take session from. But this is great that sometimes you can take sessions from there, and sometimes you can practice with your co-learners. And in our Skype app there are so many learners, they are good, and tutors are also there. Some tutors are
And
also in our groups. Definitely we can go further with them. Okay, so tell me something more about, like, about your journey, that earlier you were good when I talked with you. That time you were also good, but now you are looking more confident. So what is the reason behind it? Like classes you are taking from this platform, or like you are practicing somewhere else as well?
no, actually, I am not practicing. I just take classes with the tutors only. So when I speak with them and when they point out, and I try to correct it. And the more I correct myself, and next time when I come and face the tutors, I get the confidence that, okay, today I will be able to speak with them very well, because I'm practicing the way they have told me. And one more thing I would like to tell you about one app. I was told by one of the tutors of Clippingo. So she told me there is an app which is free, and you can practice there with learners, and those learners are from all parts of this world. They are from China, Brazil, South Africa, like that. You can meet them there and you can speak with them. So I also tried, and I really think that it is very good. It's a very good app, and you can speak and try, and you will love it, I think. And the name of the app is Episoden. So there are only foreigners that you will get.
Spelling?
E
Do you
P
know about
I E P I
EPI?
S O D E N
EPISO
D E N
DEN or M?
EPISODEN, N for Nagaland, N.
Okay, okay. Tell me once more the spelling. EDI.
No, EPI.
Okay, ETI.
EPP, P for public, EPI. Okay, EPISO
SO.
DEN. Uh, then DEN.
हाँ आ गया. Like EPISODEN.
Yes, episode N. So there are many learners who are also interested, and you can talk with them freely. There is no
Yeah,
money required.
I have uploaded a Speak Pearl and Buddy Talk. I think these types of, and they are only Indians. Indians are good, but Bangladeshis and most of the Pakistanis, and these are the persons are there. So I don't like to talk, like sometimes they are going somewhere else. So that's why I don't is there. But definitely I will search and I will mention in my video as well that who wants to learn from there, so they can also, like you have made my day with this app that you have given me this, because sometimes when we are talking with someone else or anyone, so definitely we can learn from them.
Yes,
Some
definitely.
This is the best thing. And Subhas, thank you for giving me your valuable time and sharing insights with me. If do you have any question, you can ask me.
Oh, yes. So how is your journey going on? How you are practicing and what do you do?
Yeah, it's going great. First thing, and second thing is that nowadays I am taking sessions as well for the kids or students, like school
Okay.
going students in the morning and in the evening. And yeah, I have my also startup that I hire trainers for the beginners, for the
Okay.
intermediate as well. And simultaneously, I am a homemaker. This is the first thing, and YouTuber as well. So I'm going great.
Yes. So you have doing great things, I think. So when you will teach somebody now, so you will learn more actually. I feel so.
Yeah.
Because when you want to say something, before that you want to be clear yourself that whether I am right or not. And for that you have to practice. That's how it works actually. So you are doing great things, and I wish you will do better more, and I mean will do better in future.
Yeah, true. And my daughter, she's in second grade, and nowadays there is a tenses. So whenever she learn like any tense, so she teach me, Mama, this is like this present indefinite. So you can use like this. I, we, you, they, he. I, we, you, they plural. You can use V1, and then he, she, it singular. You can use V5. So in this way, you can make more sentences like this. So she teach me that I love the way that she teaches me. So this is the way that whenever we are teaching someone, so we are learning so much from them.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
uh, Subhashi, nice to talk to you once again, and this was the great session with you.
Thank you very much for connecting with me. I am very happy to